guys, on today's video I'm going to show you how to save status with your WhatsApp GB application. So let's dive into that. This is my WhatsApp and this is my status area. So let me go ahead and open just
now. It doesn't mean that.
So let's assume this particular image, I want to have it saved on my gallery. All I need to do is to click on download, and it's going to show me different option, and I can click on save and it's going to be saved. And if I see a particular post that I would want to repost without downloading them, all I need to do is to click on the drop down arrow, and then I'm going to click on my post, and I can leave a caption or just send it. And whenever you repost a particular post on your WhatsApp GB, it actually uploads that post, but it doesn't actually save it on your device. So let me go ahead and show you guys the image that we just downloaded from our WhatsApp status. So this is our gallery, and you need to scroll down to the WhatsApp GB status. This is the status area. This is the video I've downloaded previously, and this is another image I just downloaded now. And you can notice the other image I repost on my status did not display, which is this one. So guys, I hope this video is helpful, and this is just how to actually download images from your WhatsApp status to your gallery. So see you on my next video. Peace.